Hey guys, we're here at a new court location. This customer has put in a OneTouch Windows computer with our OneTouch middleware that is a AV system replacement. So we run AV audio-visual systems on Windows, fully compatible with all the things you think they might be, every video app, all your capture recording apps, any input presentation or matrix switch for HDMI sources and things actually is connected to the PC as well. This is a fully NIST compliant AV system on Windows. It's fully compatible with AI, VR, and AR. So in this room, they had an original audio recorder. So the first thing OneTouch is doing is replacing that at the price of an audio recorder, but they've already bought the key components, the touch screen, the sound bar. They have a couple mics that'll pick up this entire room. This will become their next AV system as we replace the existing $150,000 system they originally had put in. OneTouch will just slide into place, and we can use most of the peripherals they already purchased, and we'll get rid of this other audio recorder, and we will have a really complete AV system built on Windows that anybody can program and doesn't have crazy support and maintenance contracts and can link into everything. Anything you might want to connect, anything you might want to set up, this system can do it, and it's AV on Windows. Thanks for checking it out. Contact us if you have any questions.